Surrozen's a San Francisco Bay Area biotech company, started about 5 years ago, and we're working on targeting tissue regeneration specifically to diseased tissue. There's a known biology that's active in all of us, it's called the Wnt pathway, that our body uses to respond to injury and to maintain organ systems. And we've discovered and are developing antibodies that are able to activate that pathway only in the diseased tissue. We've been fortunate enough to have 2 antibodies actually move forward into preclinical development at the same time. We needed someone who had antibody expertise, large-scale capabilities, the ability to move rapidly, the kind of sophistication that is required for these more complex bispecific antibodies really led us to look at Lonza. Part of the attractiveness of working with Lonza was they were willing to work on both projects initially. And what we were really happily surprised by was Lonza committed to doing the entirety of the process in about the same time as the fastest bid that we received. And their projected costs were about 10% higher than the lowest bid that we received. So we really felt like we had the best of both worlds. We had world-class capabilities from a well-known provider, and costs just a little bit above, and timing that got us into the clinic about as quickly as any other CDMO. And they were willing to commit at their option to work on additional Surrozen pipeline molecules with the same economics as we originally negotiated for the first 2 molecules. We've completed GMP batches or about to complete GMP batches for both molecules. We thought with the breadth of capabilities, we'd get someone who was less responsive, not flexible. We feel like we've gotten the benefits of both of those with Lonza. And would we make the same decision? Would we choose Lonza again? I'd say absolutely.